Okay, now that we know what negative numbers are, let's compare integers. And remember, integers are just positive and negative numbers, whole numbers. So let's compare some examples here. One rule or a couple rules that we can write out first is that positive numbers or positive integers are always greater than negative integers. And the further along to the right side of the number line you are more positive or larger. And the further to the left of the number line, you are more negative or smaller. So let's look at comparing 5 and 2 here. Well, 5 is here and 2 is here. 5 is further to the right on the number line than 2 is, so 5 is greater than 2. Same thing with 10 and 9. 10 is further to the right on the number line than 9 is, so it's going to be greater than 9. We just said that positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers, so I know that negative 2 is less than 4, or 4 is greater than negative 2. 7 is a positive number. Negative 1 is a negative number, so the negative number or the positive number wins here. It's greater than. And same thing for the one below. 6 or positive 6 is greater than negative 6. So negative 4 and negative 3. Well, here they are. Which one's further to the right on the number line? Well, it's negative 3. So negative 4 is less than negative 3. Negative 4 is further to the left than negative 3 is. Some people might think, well, 4 is a larger number, but again, it's further to the left of the number line than the negative 3 is. Same thing with negative 7 and negative 8 here. Negative 7 is here. Negative 8 is here. Negative 8 is further to the left of the number line, so it's going to be less than negative 7, or we could say negative 7 is further to the right on the number line, so it's going to be greater than negative 8. Negative 9 and negative 2. Well, negative 2 is here, and negative 9 is over here. Negative 2 is further to the right, or negative 9 is further to the left, so it's going to be less than negative 2. Negative 15, if we continued this number line, right, we would have negative 11, negative 12, negative 13, so on and so forth. And maybe here would be negative 15. Negative 20 would be somewhere out here, negative 20. So negative 15 is here. Negative 20 is over here somewhere. Negative 15 is further to the right, so it's going to be larger than negative 20.